Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is US approves potential $373.6 million sale of JDAM Joint Direct Attack Munition Extended Range Precision Guided Munition Kits to Ukraine. The US Department of State has approved a possible foreign military sale to Ukraine involving Joint Direct Attack Munition Extended Range Kits and related equipment valued at an estimated $373.6 million. The proposed package is intended to support Ukraine's self-defense and regional security capabilities. According to the U.S. government, Ukraine requested the purchase of 1,200 kmu, 572 Joint Direct Attack Munition Tail Kits and 332 kmu, 556 JDAM Joint Direct Attack Munition Tail Kits. The proposed sale also includes FMU, 139 fuse systems, support equipment, spare and repair parts, consumables, accessories, repair and return support, software, technical documentation, transportation support, studies, surveys, and engineering, technical, and logistics support services. The Joint Direct Attack Munition, or JDAM Joint Direct Attack Munition, is a GPS and inertial navigation system guided, all-weather precision strike weapon developed under a joint U.S. Air Force and U.S. Navy program. The system upgrades existing general-purpose bombs by adding a GPS, INS guidance kit, allowing accurate strikes from medium and high altitudes in adverse weather conditions. After release from an aircraft, JDAM Joint Direct Attack Munition weapons use inertial guidance supported by periodic GPS updates to navigate toward assigned targets. Targeting data is provided through the aircraft's avionics systems before weapon release. JDAM Joint Direct Attack Munition Seeker and tail kits can be integrated with both general-purpose and penetrating warheads across multiple weight classes. The system can also employ the 500-pound carbon fiber-cased very low collateral damage weapon designed for use against sensitive targets while reducing unintended damage. The U.S. military is also developing additional JDAM Joint Direct Attack Munition variants and enhancements, including a guidance kit for the 5,000-pound BLU-113 penetrating weapon intended for integration and flight testing on the F-15E Strike Eagle. Another program involves the advanced 2,000-pound BLU-137B weapon, which is planned for integration on both the F-15E and the B-2 Spirit bomber. According to U.S. Defense Information, the advanced 2,000-pound weapon is intended to improve precision and penetration capabilities against a broader range of hardened targets. The weapon is expected to eventually replace the BLU-109 bunkerbuster munition. JDAM Joint Direct Attack Munition class weapons remain the most frequently used air-to-ground munitions in combat operations by the U.S. Air Force. The service is currently acquiring strategic anti-jam beamforming receiver Y-code tail kits and developing advanced anti-jam military code GPS guidance systems designed for operation in degraded signal environments. The U.S. Air Force is also pursuing a future lightweight successor class of weapons incorporating infrared and GPS guidance, maneuvering wings, stealth characteristics, and electronic warfare capabilities. The ongoing modernization effort is intended to improve survivability and precision in contested operational environments. The U.S. government said the proposed sale supports the foreign policy and national security objectives of the United States by strengthening the security of a partner nation considered a force for political stability and economic progress in Europe. Officials stated the package is designed to improve Ukraine's ability to address current and future threats. According to the announcement, the sale would further equip Ukraine to conduct self-defense and regional security missions with a stronger air defense capability. The U.S. government added that Ukraine will have no difficulty absorbing these articles and services into its armed forces. Officials also stated that the proposed transfer of equipment and support will not alter the basic military balance in the region. The principal contractor for the proposed sale will be Boeing Company, based in St. Louis, Missouri. The U.S. government said the proposed transaction would not negatively affect American defense readiness. The announcement was issued as part of the foreign military sales process managed by the United States government. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.